You can make your iPhone flash when you get a text or a call with a quick accessibility setting. So that's your flashlight will flash, or your screen can flash, or you can do both, and you have a few controls over this. First, we're going to need to get into settings. So go into the settings app, and then we're going to find accessibility. Now inside of accessibility, here at the bottom, if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to find this section that's called audio and visual. So we need to tap on that. And once we're inside there, at the very bottom is going to be this section called Flash for Alerts. Now we toggle that on, and it actually takes us to a Flash for Alerts dialog or settings, and we can turn it on here. And then we can choose whether it's the LED flash, that's your flashlight, or your screen flashes, or you can do both. You can also choose if it flashes while your phone is unlocked. Traditionally, this just flashes when your phone is locked. You can turn that on to flash while it's unlocked as well. And you can also flash in silent mode or turn that off. So when your phone is in silent mode, it will not do any of the flashing. So you can toggle that on or off. You have a few choices here, but once this is on, when you receive a text or a call or some other alert, your phone is going to be flashing on the LED light, so the flashlight on the back of your phone, or it's going to flash the screen or do both depending on what settings you choose. That's how you can make your phone flash for a text or a call.